Hey guys, Dave here, and we have a lot of action on this Cape Cod add a level. The framers are here wrapping up a lot of miscellaneous items. We're going to be installing the windows, the side entry deck, and we also have the decorative stone being installed on the front of the house. We have we're leveling off the stone line with the top of the steps, and we're going to the left and the right of the front steps all the way across, and then we're going to be installing the stone. So all that's going to take place today.